learning management staff. Today, we want to take the opportunity to look at Miltonwood's availability to gain $100 million in revenue in the next 3 years. One of the ways we want to do that is look at the opportunity and strategy of upselling. Right now, Miltonwood has the availability to gain $5 million in additional revenue through this enhanced strategy of upselling. So how are we going to go about doing this? Well, we're going to look at first targeted marketing. We want to make sure that we cater to that customer base that is most willing and most apt to upgrade to our more premium rooms. That customer base is going to be our leisure customers. They're going to be more willing to upgrade through all travel accommodations throughout their vacation. Hotels are going to be no different. So we want to make sure that we're catering to that specific customer. Secondly, we want to make sure that all of our staff is trained up in the strategy of upselling. We want to make sure that there's no inefficient processes when it comes to how they're upselling and how they're approaching and communicating that strategy to our customers. So a lot of the feedback that we're getting from our associate base is that there are some time-consuming and tedious efforts when it comes to upselling. So we want to make sure that we do eliminate those. And secondly, we want to make sure that we are upselling at the point of contact in all phases in which the customer is interacting with Miltonwood. And that comes down to the point of reservation and the person-to-person contact as well. Next, we want to make sure that we have appropriate pilots out there and going. So we've ran one pilot right now in Chicago, and from that pilot, we have seen that over 1/3 of our customers have accepted paid upgrades. So we can continue to push out an additional pilot opportunity to make sure that that is a right strategic approach for us long term, and we can kind of build off of that moving forward. Lastly, we want to make sure that we are continuously measuring the feedback that we're getting from our customers. The last thing we want to do is diminish the satisfaction that we're getting from Miltonwood and tarnish any reputation that we currently have within the market. So we'll continuously take that feedback and communication that we're getting from our clients, and we can make the necessary adjustments moving forward to make sure that we put this strategy of upselling on track in the long term. Thanks.